looking at Collins Avenue, which usually is packed. This would be a traffic jam right now. Here, Lincoln Road, the beach, our building. This is where we will stay throughout the hurricane. Here, another view of empty Collins Avenue. And here actually on Lincoln Road, we do see a few buses and a few cars, and still somebody's putting up the hurricane shutters. There in the back. It's a little bit more windy than yesterday, wind and snow. But as you can see on the palm trees, nothing is really moving yet, but hey, it's only Friday. Here are all the fearless people that will be staying here despite the mandatory evacuation. Hey Sabine, how are you? Yes, it's beautiful out here. The calm before the storm. And best of all, CVS is open, so I bought 6 more wine bottles. Hey, how are you, man?
I know you're going to stock up.
Yes, more wine, yes.
Oh, okay, see you later.
Okay guys, so I got a nice Clos Du Bois ready for the party, and we got a couple of bottles of Bogle. Unfortunately could just get what CVS over here had in stock. The liquor store here, I Love Liquor, is already closed. Up. Walgreens, usually always open, is closed. But hey, CVS is still open. Go get your wine there. Yes, this is our safe place. Look at this building. It's been here since 1965. It's steel concrete. The other side of the building where we live has hurricane-proof windows. So should be all fine and easy. But it's just scary how deserted the city is. You feel like you're walking in this weird ghost town feeling. Yes, I'll be careful that none of the palm trees fall over on my head. But there are none around me right now. No, I'm all good, don't worry guys. Just want to show the empty streets. And as soon as we're gonna have, as long as we have internet, I'll be live streaming and sending pictures and movies and filming. In case we lose power and internet, then I'll be uploading everything as soon as we get power back. So that's the famous Lincoln Road shopping mall. Everything is deserted. Everybody's out of here already. Hey Sid, we are right here on Lincoln Road. So sit, we'll be riding it out in this building. Looks very safe to me, much safer than being somewhere on a congested highway without gasoline in a traffic jam all the way to Georgia like most people are. Most of the flights out got cancelled, so lots of people are still stuck at the airport. And we're just gonna have a great time with all the wine we have at home and those extra 6 bottles that I bought right now. So everybody else who is in Florida, stay safe. And I'll be heading back home. I'm planning to do my laundry today. It's going to be a laundry day today. Here once more the view of the empty streets. Yes, Robert, you're coming late to the broadcast. I got a nice couple of bottles of Bogle and a few bottles of Clos Du Bois. So we're gonna do the best out of the hurricane. It's gonna be fun. Alright, I'll keep you all posted. Have a beautiful Friday, everybody. Bye-bye.